Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HelloSign for faster LinkedIn proposals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with HelloSign, begin by navigating to the HelloSign website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, create a strong password to secure your account. Once your password is set, click on the Get Started button. HelloSign may send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for a message from HelloSign. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the HelloSign website after confirming your email. Now, log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be guided through the setup process with a brief tutorial. Follow any additional prompts to complete your profile setup. Once your profile is complete, you can start using HelloSign for your proposals. To create a proposal, click on the Create Document option in your dashboard. Select the document type you wish to work with or upload your own. Use the editing tools to customize your document as needed. After preparing your proposal, click on the Send button to share it via LinkedIn. Enter the recipient's information and include a personalized message if desired. Finally, click Send to deliver your proposal directly through HelloSign. You are now ready to streamline your LinkedIn proposals with HelloSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.